Welcome. Today I'm excited to tell you and show you our newest addition to our knife collection with Pampered Chef. This is our Foundations knife set. I am in love with this set, primarily because they are such high quality, made of German steel, and they have a full tang, so that runs the full length of the knife, so it's just one piece. And they are really comfortable in the hand. They're heavy but not too heavy, just like the perfect weight for cutting your food. It comes with a chef knife, a serrated bread knife. It comes with an everyday knife, utility knife, and with a paring knife. So really every size of knife that you'll reach for the most in your kitchen. I love the acacia wood block that it's in. And this knife block is made out of, like I said, acacia wood, and it has a 3-year guarantee, but the knives themselves have a lifetime guarantee, making you feel really confident in your purchase. What I really like about this knife block itself is you can see that it can fit on your kitchen counter, but if your kitchen counter space is limited or you just prefer to have them in your kitchen drawer, you can just fold that back piece up and slide it into your drawer and out of sight when you're not using them. So this is like perfect wedding gift. It's a perfect gift for the couple moving into their first home. I think this is the perfect gift for really anybody who loves to cook and doesn't want all the different knives that are available, just the 4 that they're going to reach for the most. It's perfect.